Hi everyone! I'm excited to share my new class, Birthday Party. This is a versatile birthday cookie set that's perfect for both girls and boys. In this class, you'll decorate several fun designs using a variety of decorating techniques. You'll learn how to pipe smooth lines, create clean icing fills, and add bright decorative details that make the set look festive and eye-catching. Even beginners will be able to recreate this set. In this class, we'll go through the entire process from start to finish. I'll show you how to make the dough, prepare and cut out the cookie shapes, and then decorate each design in the set. You'll also learn how to use the cutters, prepare your cookies for decorating, and set up your workflow so the entire set looks polished and cohesive. The class also includes STL files for 3D printing the cookie cutters. If you don't have a 3D printer, I've also included printable templates that you can download and start using right away. We'll also make royal icing, color it in the shades we need, and learn how to create different shades by mixing food coloring. We'll go over icing consistencies as well, and learn how to tell which consistency works best for each stage of decorating. I'll share a complete list of materials and tools you'll need to recreate this project, so you'll have everything ready before you get started. If you'd like to create this set together with me, you'll find a link to the class in the description below this video. Now let's take a look at the projects included in the class.